brain is composed of 100 billion neurons, which is amazing to think about. That's a lot of cells. In the first few years of life.
Hey, hello YouTubers. As you probably guessed, today we'll be discussing about the human brain. So suppose that you underwent a painful event or something just unpleasant you wanna forget, but actually by trying to forget that on intention, you're making that bad memory stronger. And that's because of the way the human memory works. And for example, and yeah, another concept. Now, many people have a misconception that memory is by a particular organ in the brain, or it is concentrated in a particular place in the brain, human brain. But I want to say that's not true, because the memory is just distributed everywhere in the human brain, and it's not concentrated in a particular organ. You cannot grow that, you cannot operate it, and you cannot remove it. It is just everywhere in the brain. It's not anywhere, it's everywhere. That's the part of fun. And coming back to the concept, now, whenever you experience something or you feel an event, the short term experience is converted into the long term memory that can be stored by the hippocampus. It's a organ present in the brain, it's very essential. And whenever this happens, the memory is distributed anywhere in brain. You cannot say in a particular place, you don't know where it is, but it's just spread out. It's like a group of neurons that fire in a particular pattern, which makes you feel the same experience as you experience it for the first time. So that's the whole system, how the human memory works. And because of this thing, the human memory is not infinite. Though the brain has 3 billion neurons, it's not because of the lessness of neurons. I mean, if you consider that the memory is less, but it's because that the brain needs a lot of power in order to maintain the memories until you need it. So therefore, if there are a lot of memories, you just consume lot of energy. So it's an evolutionary trait in order to erase the memories that we do not use frequently, so that the brain makes some more space for few memories and also helps use the power efficiently. So therefore, if you keep using a particular group of neurons as memory for frequently within a week or a month, the memories gets really strong and they will not be erased. And that is the reason you get better every time at memorizing a particular paragraph step by step, not at once. So as a conclusion, the memory gets stronger every time you access it and the neurons fire more efficiently. So therefore, if you keep accessing a particular memory, it never gets erased. And therefore, coming back to the concept, if you want to forget the bad memory, you should not at all remember it. You should not even think about it, because even if you think about it, the brain unwillingly goes through the whole memory, and thus making the memory stronger, and it will not be forgotten soon. But it does not mean you cannot do anything, you are helpless. You can do some things, like for example removing the trigger things, like the things which you see and it makes you remember the thing, like an old book or photo related to that event, avoiding them from your vision. Also, involving yourself in something else which is not related to that thing. These things can really help you to forget those things. But remember, if you just want to, you think, okay, I'll forget that thing, and again you'll think the same thing again, you're just making that bad memory stronger. Thanks for watching. Bye.